everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean your AirPods.
If you don't remember the last time you cleaned your AirPods or earbuds, you should probably do it as soon as possible. Over time, airwax, grease and dirt can get stuck inside of your earbuds. Not only can that gross gunk impact the quality of the sound, but it can lead to infections. Before you start getting your earbuds sparkling clean again, make sure they are off and disconnected from all of the paired devices. Your ears naturally produce airwax, medically known as cerumen, to protect your ears. When you use earbuds often, the wax can stick to them and harbor bacteria. Repeatedly putting the earbuds in your ears without disinfecting them can transfer the bacteria into your ear canal, which can lead to an infection. Here I got some close-ups to show you how gross the earbuds can get. Don't toss your earbuds or AirPods into your pocket, backpack or purse to collect lint. Store them properly in their charging case. Here is all you need. 70% alcohol. I put some in a little spray bottle to control the amount of alcohol I will use. A Q-tip, a toothpick, and a lint-free cloth or microfiber cloth. Spray the cloth with alcohol. Don't oversaturate it, just a little damp. Use a very absorbent microfiber cloth and do not put a ton of alcohol to avoid damaging your AirPods or earbuds. Wipe thoroughly the outside and the inside of the case. Be very gentle. Alcohol is perfect because it disinfects and it dries quickly. Remove any debris gently and wipe it away using a Q-tip. Clean thoroughly around the case. Then begin the cleaning of the earbuds. Use the damp cloth, but remember, it's very important not to get them wet. Be very gentle. Here you can see some wax I got out. Use a Q-tip if you need to, and you can see how clean it is now.
They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is.
Now let's clean the other one. It's so disgusting. Follow the same steps and you can also use a toothpick. Toothpicks are perfect because they can get into those little crevices. Don't push on those mesh grills because you can break through them. Just move the toothpick along the outside edge to clean. Your audio will not sound good because it is clogged up. Go around and clean if there is still airwax in there, but very gently, without ruining the interior, that it's delicate. You can also use a toothbrush. Remember, be gentle, don't damage the connectors. Now your AirPods or earbuds are perfectly clean and disinfected. Please let me know in the comments below when was the last time you cleaned your AirPods. On my channel you will find a lot of cleaning hacks videos. If you're interested, I will link some of them at the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!